for Sandeep Ejnau, and he is a staff of Victor Hospital. So ते कामां आसता. So आतां तेका ट्रान्सफर येयला सुरताक. सो आतां इशू कितें जालो, तेका तेगे सामान आहा तें शिफ्ट करपा जाल्लें. नाव तेगे आतां सामान शिफ्ट करपा आतां आमी युजली कितें कोत्ताय, वी कॉल गेट कनेक्टेड विथ एनी ऑफ द कुरियर सर्विसीस कोण जे फास्ट मुवींग आहा वो फास्ट पावयतले ते आमी गुगलाचेर बी जायत पाट आमी फायंड आवट कोत्ताय चोय. बट तेक बाडे खबर ना दॅट this particular Google who gives information will turn out into something else which is weird, आनी तेक तें backfire जायन एक स्कॅम जाता म्हूण तेक बाडे खबर ना. आतां कितें कोत्ताय आमगे गोंयकार जायत जाणां कोण UK आसताय वो भायर आसताय वो गोंयचे भायर काम कोत्ताय. सो मोस्टली वॉट दे डू इज दे ट्राय एंड गेट कनेक्टेड टू मोस्ट ऑफ द courier services who are well-known courier services. Now this particular boy, what happened, now he wanted to transfer his things when he was here to Surat, as he got a transfer to Surat. So तो गुगलाचे गेल गोंय आनी गुगलाचे तेणें टायप केलें की आपणागे सामान ट्रान्सफर करपाक टू हेल्प हिम विच एवर द सायट पॉसिबल आनी लोअस्ट कोटेशन. सो तेणें गुगलाचे घायलें. As per when he had put it on the Google itself, he got randomly one form and he had to fill up that form. फॉर्म फिलअप केलें मुळे आनी तेका खूंय वन ऑफ द कुरियर सर्वीस म्हूण VRL म्हूण येयली मूय, आनी ही फेल्ट दॅट VRL इज अ ट्रस्टवर्दी कुरियर सर्वीस आनी फास्टस्ट म्हूण तें चूज केलें. आतां तेका खबर ना VRLूय बी फेक आहा आनी VRLाकूय बी स्कॅम जाता म्हूण. नाव दीस पर्टिक्युलर सायट वीच शोड अप एज VRL वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली VRL बट सम अदर फेक सायट विथ द नेम ऑफ VRL. आतां चोय VRL लॉजिस्टीक म्हूण तेणें कितें कोन्न हें केलो आहा थंय सारको लोगो बी काण सारकें यू वील फील इट इज रियल.
So everything is there, the site, address.
Everything in detail ना सारकें बायफिकेशन बी कोन्न तेमी सारकें इन डिटेल घायलो आहा आख्खेंच. आनी दुसरें तुम चोय जाल्यार पेज तेमी चोय जाल्यार बील तें तुका धाडटाय विथ GST बी आनी हे GST नंबर इन एक्चुअल VRL आहा चोय तेंच आनी ती पेज तूं VRL जी कुरियर सर्वीस आहा तूं तेजेर विजीट करूं ती आनी सारकी सेम डिटो तुका दिसपा देखून हे फेक म्हूण हेंचो GST नंबर बी घालतलो हाचो तूं फेक म्हूण एक मिनोत दिसपा ना. सो यू थिंक अबाउट इट. सो हाल स्कॅम जालें जाल्यार तुम चिंताय तेगेली फ्रीज जावं AC जावं TV जावं सगळें गेलें सामान आख्खें हिंगाचें आख्खें फ्लॅट खाली केल्लें तेणें वचपान आख्खें फ्लॅटा वचता तेंको आनी आयज ते पयशे ही हॅज लॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 35,000 and they are still asking for more. आनी तुम चिंताय. सो प्लीज बी अवेर for this type of scammers. Don't fall a prey. Ata the whole incident he is going to explain to you where this person came, how he picked up the things. He gave a GPay number and calling होता so हुई रोकत हुई WhatsApp because the location can't be tracked. He is not making a normal call. at normal call आचे कितें जाता ते रोखडे ट्रॅक करूं मेळटा. आतां हेजेर कितें जाता WhatsApp it gets little difficult to track, but it can be tracked. It takes longer time to track. That's what now the IO and the PI and so on, like they told us how and what to go about. But what happened over here is तेगे बाळगे सामान गेलें, तेगे बाळगे पयशे गेले कित्याक तेणें सगळें ट्रान्जॅक्शन केलें तें GPay कोन्न केल्लें and he gives all weird numbers for transaction. मागीर ऑनलायन QR कोड दी मागीर ऑनलायन ट्रान्जॅक्शन केलें आतां सगळें जालें. आतां तो सांगत तुका सामान जाय जाल्यार अमके पयशे डिपॉजीट कर आपूण तुगे सामान दिता. मागीर तेका सांगत तूं अमके पयशे तुवें ट्रान्सपोर्टाक परतून दिवपाक पडटलें तुजें सामान पावोवपाक. सो हे तो स्कॅम तेणें वयल्यान ऑलरेडी कुरियर करपाक अमावंट घायलो. ट्रान्सपोर्टा सेपरेट हांगा परतून तूं पावोवपाक जाल्यार अमको एमावंट घाल म्हणून तेच्या फाटल्यान सांगत खूंय की आपण तुगे सामान तूं अमके लोकेशनार पावयतात तेचे सेपरेट पयशे म्हणटा. सो हे स्कॅम आतां ते एकल्यार जालो आहा. हाव एश्योर्ड वी कॅन बी दॅट टुमॉरो इट वोंट बी टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द गोवन्स. ओ कितलेशे ट्युरिस्ट आमगे गोंय येताय सो ते जायत सामानूय हिंग येताय. समटायम्स वॉट हॅपन्स दे ट्राय टू टेक अ कुरियर सर्वीस टू ट्रान्सपोर्ट. आतां हाल कितें आहा बाय चान्स कितें तर आमकां जाय आसलोलें ट्रान्सपोर्ट जो कुरियर सर्वीस आहा हाल्या तो तें फेक जालें आमगे गोंयकारांकू स्कॅम जावपा शकता वो कोण ट्युरिस्ट आमगे गोंय येता ते स्कॅम जावपा शकता सो हिंगा म्हाकोत कितें आमगेले ऑथॉरिटीजां कडेन लायक क्रायम ब्रांच जावं वो आमगे पुलीस जावं की हेंचेरू मातशें लक्ष घालाय कित्याक हे स्कॅम बारीक एमावंटान न्हू आनी हे इनवॉल्वमेंटू जायत जाणांनी आसतलें आतां कोण कोण आहाय आनी हेंच्या फाटल्यान कोण आहाय तें आमकां खबर ना सो वॉट हॅपन्स फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द गोवन्स नॉट टू फॉल अ प्रे वी थॉट ऑफ कमींग ऑनलायन आनी एक बायट दिवपाक चिंतिल्ली आमी मिडियाचे येवन सो दॅट दीस बिकम्स एन अवेरनस फॉर द रेस्ट अदर्स बिकॉज VRL तर इट इज वेल नोन कुरियर सर्वीस and if on VRL, name of VRL, if someone is trying to scam Goans or any who are trying to take their assistance, then tomorrow worst thing can happen. आता हाल्या कोणागे व्हडलें सामान आहा जायत सामानूय वचों शकता पयशेय वचों शकताय मागीर हूंय सोदतलीं आतां काय आतां कोणा टायम आहा तो 10-5 पावट मारतलो पुलीस स्टेशनाक कोणाक काम ना कोणागे फॅमिली आहा कोणाक बिजनस आहा कोण आनी हूंय कडेन भायलगांव काम आहा तो कितें 10-5 पावट मारपा ना की आपणागे पयशे गेले मार सोड आतां तांकांय खबर आहा 10 कोण पावट मारपा ना आनी सोडून दितले म्हूण that is why this is happening and I'm asking the authorities police to take strong action against this and it has to stop somewhere कित्याक आयज तर हेक जालो हा हेज्या पयलीं कितले जाणां जालो आहलो आसतलें आनी कोणें तें इनिशिएटीव घेयला वो गेल ना तें आमकां खबर ना इट हॅज नॉट कम ऑन मिडिया but this is an awareness purpose like we have come ahead on media so that no one falls a prey and tomorrow such things not to happen. This is why we are trying to take this video and trying to help rest others to be aware and rather than visiting these Google sites and all, please see ki tengele office genuine office ha and try to find out with the neighbors horen genuine since how many years that office have been running courier office कसलें कित्याक आतां स्कॅम जाता कोण भायर धाड म्हूण स्कॅम जाताय आतां कुरियरांकूय स्कॅम जावपा लागले सो चिंतपाचें लोकांन भायर धाड म्हूण तो एजंट नाच जाताय आयज कुरियर कोताय म्हूण सामान घेवन आनी ऑफिसूय नाच जाता सो सगळे मनीसूय फेक गाडी फेक जीपे अकाउंट तोय फेक कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर फेक आनी VRL नाव म्हूण घेयला वीच इज जेन्युइन वीच इज ऑल्सो फेक अगेन सो आय hereby call up to the concerned authorities to take swift action against this आनी तेका बडें जास्तीच दिचें कित्याक तेगे बडेगे सामानूय गेलें आनी तेगे बडेगे पयशेय गेले आनी तेका आतां काम बाम सोडींग आतां रावपा पडलें थँक्यू
I have searching for moving from Goa to Surat. So meanwhile I was searching, I got a random site saying that if you want to move your things, please fill this form. Just I filled my name and number, that's it. Then after that I got 4-5 quotations from different companies. So I've seen all the quotations. Then in that all quotation I got to see that VRL Logistics. So I thought VRL is well established company. So I contacted them and they gave me quotation of 11,500 rupees for shifting to Surat. So then I contacted them. They said they will come on so and so day. So they came. When they came, I asked them, "You are from which company?" They said, "VRL Logistics." Then after that, I asked them, "आप क्या करते हो?" So they said, "We pack and we load. That's it we do. Other than that, we don't do anything." They said. So okay, fine. Then I made them to pack everything, whole house. Then all together, we have spoken for 8 bags and 5 cardboard box. We spoke a deal for 11,500 and a bike. Then after packing everything, it was 21 boxes. So he told if it is 21 boxes, you have to pay extra amount. Then I asked him how much. Then he said 16,000 more. 16,000 you have to pay. He said like that. Then I paid him directly. Then he gave me all the forms according to the norms. Before also I shifted the same thing forms what we got before also from different company. So I thought same forms. Then I shifted. Then before going also like workers only they asked me some chai pani ke liye de do like that they asked me. Then I gave them some amount for chai and all. Then after that he said within 3 days you will get your luggage in Surat, he said like that. So actually next day is my train from Goa to Surat. So me, my 2 kids and my wife, we traveled to Surat. After 3 days, he sent me a quotation again saying that you have to pay 22,000 more. Then I asked him for what I need to pay 22,000. Then he said for crossing borders, income tax, tax, road tax, everything he showed me. Then I found out around my friends like this it will happen or what. They said yeah, road tax and all will be there and tax also will be there. Like it was written in the quotation also. So I thought it's fine, it's fair. Then I paid. That I paid on one Google Pay number. That Google Pay is Mr. Prakash Kohli name was there. Then I asked him who is this? He said he's my friend only. You pay on that number, I can take money from there. Then I paid it. After paying, by evening you will get your luggage, he said. It's on 12th. Then after that, I called him. By evening I didn't get my luggage. Then I called him. When I called him, he is telling you have to pay 7,000 more, then only you will get your luggage. Then there only I got doubt, like what is this? Again, why you're asking? Then borders they are charging so much. You need to pay more. They said like that. Then after that, I got doubt and immediately I went to Surat police station and I gave. I have an FIR also. See, this is Surat police station ka FIR. So they have taken the case and everything was done from them. Then they gave me advice, if you go to Goa, so it will be more easy for you to track them. The police will be more faster than like it's happened in Goa. You go to Goa and give complaint. I came to Goa and I gave a complaint in police station. And yesterday he sent me one bike and 3 cardboard box and 1 suitcase he sent me back. Then he said I'm sending everything by evening. Then till evening I was waiting and I was continuously messaging him. He's not contacting me on phone call. He is doing on WhatsApp only. So I messaged him, he didn't reply me anything. Today morning again he replied, you pay everything, total amount you pay, then I'll give you things. He is telling like that. Then I contacted police and they're supporting me and like they said they will track this number. So I request everybody, please don't go online. Online scams are going on so much. I was not aware about this scam and all. So I was like, VRL is a trustworthy company. So I saw the logo of VRL and I gave the things. So after seeing the logo, I didn't go to the VRL company. I didn't confirm that it is VRL or not. So I request everybody, please don't trust any people who was coming online and saying you this one, that one, I'm from this company or not. Please go to the company, just find out, verify, then you give. Today, me, my wife and kids, we don't have clothes to wear. So we kept 2 pairs each for traveling. So only those clothes are there. I kept my kids and wife in Surat in someone's house. Then I came here for tracking all this and giving complaint. So I request you, please be aware of these frauds and all.
Because in their name, such scammers are doing business and cheating our Goans and maybe other people also. So what will happen? This is the classic case of a courier scam. This needs to be stopped right at this time, because if we do not act and if the police do not act swiftly in such cases, they will be doing it very openly, knowing that they will be doing it openly, thinking that the police cannot catch them. So this should be stopped right now at this point of time in this particular case itself.